We have a very, very special guest in the Tempe Tornado, Leland McSpadden. With a couple of lightning quick laps. Just a roller coaster ride this weekend for Larry Gibson and the Tom Gibson racing family. As Tom Gibson's father, obviously, Tom Gibson getting inducted in the Hall of Fame.
Once again, congratulations to all of our 2000